Tired of battling dry, brittle hair that just won't cooperate? Imagine turning that damaged, frizzy mess into soft, shiny, and resilient hair you actually want to show off. That's exactly what Olaplex Original Bond Builder promises and delivers. This isn't just another hair product. It's a patented system designed to repair extreme damage by rebuilding the bonds inside your hair, restoring strength and shine from the inside out. What sets Olaplex apart is its unique formula, a single molecule free from silicones and oils, that targets broken bonds within your hair. Unlike typical conditioners or treatments that only coat the surface, Olaplex works deep inside each strand to protect and repair damage caused by bleaching, heat styling, or environmental stress. The result? Hair that feels nourished, smooth, and noticeably healthier. Whether your hair is curly, straight, or somewhere in between, Olaplex is formulated to work beautifully on all hair types. I've seen firsthand how Olaplex can change hair's story. One user with years of bleach-damaged dark hair shared how Olaplex restored moisture and eliminated frizz and tangles. So much so that she ditched all her other shampoos and conditioners. That's the kind of transformation you can expect. What you get is not just repair but ongoing protection that keeps your hair strong and shiny day after day. If you're ready to stop fighting with dry, fragile hair and start enjoying strands that look and feel healthier, Olaplex Original Bond Builder is worth a look. It's simple to use, fits into any hair care routine, and delivers real results without weighing your hair down. Try it when you're ready to see what stronger, shinier hair feels like.